Dr. Shirley here with Level Up. Today I want to talk about holistic methylation and why we have to keep on tweaking as time goes by. And so first I want to say that we tweak about every 2 to 4 weeks. And this is why monthly membership makes a lot of sense, because with concierge medicine and the subscription, it's affordable to come once a month and to stay on top of everything. So when we first start doing holistic methylation, which is using nutrition to affect expression of our genes to maintain our health, we focus on one kit at a time. And every month we go through these different kits. And each kit has a different focus. For example, here I have one that's cardiovascular. This is important for my patients with high blood pressure or high cholesterol. Here is my emotional test kit. This is good for neurotransmitter support. That's good for people who have anxiety, depression, OCD, PTSD, and other issues like that. Here's another one that has to do with hormones. That's important for my men and my women with their sex hormones, and also people who have adrenal or thyroid issues. The reason why we have to test is because we have to go in order. There's a specific order that we go in because we want to open up our metabolic pathways in an efficient way. Because if you open up the top pathways, then a lot of the bottom ones clear themselves out. So it doesn't make sense to go through everything all at once. We go in order. There are some that we have to keep on taking throughout, but many will just knock themselves out as we proceed. Because this is holistic methylation, it means that what we need changes depending on our lifestyle. It depends on what we eat, if we've changed our diet, if our mood changes. If we're going through a stressful time in our life, then what we need in terms of neurotransmitter and hormone support would change. And I have found out that with my patients who are able to come more often because they're on the membership, they are having really, really good